Okay, let's check this one out. Now they're on top of the foam. I can even see it now when it goes away from the rail. So I can, wow, this is so much easier upside down. Okay, I gotta put a marker when the frame grips because it's all black. If I do this, you see it. Otherwise you wouldn't see it. Let's put a marker here as well for visibility. Relativity right there. Okay, this works and this works. Now this works. Okay. I guess all the important ones are frictioning on the rails, and further than this, I don't want to stress myself, so we're good. Alright, now I have to put the bed back on top, tighten it all the way down, and then start releasing it to make sure that the nozzle does whatever it's supposed to do when it's supposed to print. Let's flip this bad boy. Okay, so if that's here, right, then the bed should come here. In order for the bed to clear, the motor has this notch cut into the frame. So this notch has to clear that motor right there. So now we know where the back is. So I knew that the cable from the bed comes to the side. Wait a minute, this could stay on its own? That's perfect. I don't even need to do anything. Now this is the time, or this is the point where a little maritime terms would be much better than just left, because left from the front or left from the back. Okay, so as I was trying to spin these down to like bring the axes, and I was trying to move them up, as you can see right there, the T-nut is not properly tightened. Oh, but anyway, I'm just trying to figure out if there are any hops in the Z-axis. And then we're going to level the bed. We're going to tighten the rails first. We're going to tighten all the screws, and then we're going to try to level the bed without... I don't even know if this has a bed leveling function. But hey, don't scratch my TV. Actually, I can use this as a magnifying glass. Perfect. It's like, was that arthroscopic surgery? Now, I'm going to use this guy right here. From this angle, let's see. So this angle right here. So we're not okay, right, so far. Now we're just there. But I need to use this. Push in there. Ah, wow. Well, let's go from this other side now. Man, we were almost home and we lost the washer in the process. Unbelievable. How did I put it the first time? Unbelievable. Okay. Whew. Wow. I think it's because I'm not close enough. And I want to do it on camera. That's what. Let's see, would this work? Okay, it's through. Oh. Okay, good so far. Now we have to put. Okay. Well, finally. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's going in. We're good here. We're screwing it in. All right, perfect. Looks like perfect. Well, not necessarily perfect, but looks good. Okay. Yeah, I think this printer needs a ton of updates or upgrades. I don't even know if it's worth buying these ones, because you have to upgrade everything. Like if I look at this, even these devices here, they need to be a little sturdier, and this is flimsy. Don't. Stop it, this shit.